In today's video, I am going to teach you how to download an image from Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, your taskbar, your dock, or your applications folder, depending on the device you are using. Once Chrome is open, go to the page where the image is located. Now place your mouse pointer over the image. If you are using a Windows computer or a mouse with a right-click button, right-click directly on the image. A menu should appear next to your cursor. Once the menu appears, look for the option that says Save Image As. This is the option that lets you download the image file to your computer. Move your cursor to Save Image As and click it. After you click this option, Chrome will open a file window where you can choose where the image will be saved. This file window is important because it controls the location and the name of the file. You may see folders such as Downloads, Desktop, Documents, or Pictures. Choose the folder where you want to keep the image. If you are not sure where to save it, the Downloads folder is usually a common default location. However, choosing a specific folder can make it easier to find the image later. Before saving, you may also have the option to rename the image file. The file name may already be filled in automatically, but it might be long, unclear, or not very helpful. If you want, click into the file name field and type a new name that will help you recognize the image later. After you have selected the folder and confirmed the file name, look for the Save button in the file window. Click Save to finish downloading the image. Once the download is complete, you can open the folder you selected and check that the image is there. If you saved it to Downloads, go to your Downloads folder. If you saved it to Desktop, it should appear on your desktop. From there, you can open it, move it, or use it however you need. That covers everything you need to know.